The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something that can truly transform your life: personal growth. Let me share a quick story with you. A few years ago, I was stuck in a rut. My career felt stagnant, my relationships were strained, and my health was on the decline. Then I stumbled upon the concept of personal growth, and everything started to change. So, what is personal growth? It's all about continuous self-improvement in skills, knowledge, and life experience. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Let's dive into why personal growth is so important in different areas of our lives. First, career. When you focus on personal growth, you open up new opportunities, advance in your career, and find greater job satisfaction. Think of it as sharpening your tools. The sharper they are, the better you perform. Next, relationships. Personal growth makes you more empathetic, patient, and understanding. It helps you connect with others on a deeper level and build stronger, healthier relationships. And of course, health. Personal growth is crucial for both mental and physical health. It helps you develop resilience, manage stress, and adopt healthier habits. It's like building a stronger foundation for your well-being. So how can you foster personal growth? Here are a few steps to get you started. First, set goals. But not just any goals. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This gives you a clear roadmap to follow. Next, seek feedback. Constructive feedback from mentors, peers, and self-assessment is invaluable. It helps you see your blind spots and areas for improvement. Then, learn continuously. Lifelong learning is key. Read books, take courses, and embrace new experiences. The more you learn, the more you grow. And finally, embrace challenges. Stepping out of your comfort zone is crucial for growth. Overcoming challenges builds confidence and resilience. Now, I want to encourage you to reflect on your own personal growth journey. Take the first step towards self-improvement today. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal growth and self-improvement. Stay inspired and keep growing.